Welcome. If you want your Facebook page posts to look great when shared outside of Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the brand new update that lets you show previews for your page posts when they're shared elsewhere on the web. With just a few clicks, you can make sure your content stands out and grabs attention, whether it's shared on messaging apps, blogs, or other social networks. Let's get started. First, open Facebook from your browser on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your page. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Next, select the page you want to update by clicking on its profile photo. This will take you directly to your page. Now, it's time to access the settings that control how your posts appear outside of Facebook. On your page, look for the menu on the left side and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, then select Settings from the drop-down. This will open up a new set of options. Scroll down until you see Follower and Public Content. Click on this option to open more settings related to how your page interacts with the public and your followers. Here's the important part. Look for the setting labeled Off Facebook Previews. This new feature allows you to control whether your posts show a preview when shared outside of Facebook. To enable it, simply toggle the switch so it turns on, and that's it. With Off Facebook Previews enabled, your page posts will now display eye-catching previews whenever they're shared beyond Facebook. This means more people will see your content just the way you want them to, no matter where it's shared. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. See you next time.